In the open theater of the sky, where wind and clouds dance above the earth, one master reigns supreme, the Peregrine Falcon, a bird both feared and admired by all who witness its power. This bird isn't the largest, nor is it the fastest in level flight, but when it comes to hunting, it's the undisputed speed king of the animal world. By harnessing gravity, the peregrine transforms itself into a living projectile, a feathered arrow shot from the heavens, plummeting toward its target with astonishing force. The peregrine's genius lies in its breathtaking controlled fall, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour, faster than any other animal on the planet. Found everywhere from rugged coastal cliffs to the ledges of city skyscrapers, is a true cosmopolitan survivor, adapting to nearly every environment humans can imagine. With eyesight 8 times sharper than ours, it scans for prey from dizzying heights, able to spot a pigeon or small bird from over a mile away. Its long, pointed wings and streamlined feathers are built for speed and agility, allowing it to maneuver with incredible precision even at breakneck speeds. Every part of its body is honed for high-speed pursuit, a marvel of evolution from its razor-sharp talons to its aerodynamic beak. To see a peregrine hunt is to witness nature's engineering at its finest, a breathtaking display of timing, power, and grace. It's not just about speed, but the incredible adaptations, like special nostrils to breathe at high velocity, that make such speed possible. The peregrine is a living testament to evolution's artistry, a symbol of wild beauty and survival. Its story is one of biological genius, resilience, and adaptation, an ongoing tale still being unraveled by scientists and bird lovers today. The peregrine's signature move is the stoop, a calculated, high-speed dive from the sky. This breathtaking maneuver is the result of millions of years of evolution perfectly honed for the art of aerial hunting. Climbing to dizzying heights, the falcon surveys the world below before tucking its wings tightly against its body, transforming into a teardrop-shaped missile. This streamlined form minimizes air resistance, allowing it to slice through the sky with astonishing speed. In this vertical dive, the peregrine can exceed 240 miles per hour, nearly 390 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest animal on the planet. No other creature comes close to matching this velocity in a controlled descent. Yet even at these mind-bending speeds, the falcon remains in total control, steering with subtle, almost imperceptible wing and tail movements. Its agility in the air is nothing short of extraordinary. Its prey, often a bird flying far below, has almost no chance of escape. The element of surprise, combined with sheer speed, gives the peregrine a decisive advantage. The stoop is a precision strike, not a reckless fall. Every movement is calculated, every second counts. The falcon strikes with a clenched foot, stunning or killing its target instantly, protecting itself from the shock of impact. This technique is both deadly and efficient, ensuring the falcon's safety as well as its success. It then swoops to catch its falling meal mid-air, displaying remarkable coordination and timing. The entire hunt, from the initial dive to the final capture, is over in mere seconds, a blur of motion and precision. This strategy sets the peregrine apart from all other predators. Its solo hunting style and unique use of speed are unmatched in the animal world. It turns gravity into an engine, converting height into lethal speed, harnessing the forces of nature to its advantage. The stoop is a masterful application of physics and biology, a living demonstration of natural engineering at its finest. It's a spectacle that cements the peregrine's place as the animal kingdom's speed king, a title earned through both power and grace. No other predator hunts with such drama or efficiency. The peregrine falcon's stoop is not just a hunt, it's a legendary plunge into the annals of natural history. Diving at 240 miles per hour brings immense physical challenges, pushing the peregrine falcon to the very limits of what a living creature can endure. At these breakneck speeds, the falcon becomes a living missile, slicing through the air with astonishing precision. The force of the wind at that speed is crushing, enough to damage delicate organs, The biggest danger, however, is something we rarely consider: breathing. The air pressure is so intense it threatens the very act of drawing breath. High-speed airflow could inflate the falcon's lungs like a balloon, causing catastrophic damage. The sheer volume and force of air rushing in could overwhelm its respiratory system in an instant. The pressure could rupture air sacs, leading to instant death. Even a momentary lapse in control could prove fatal at these speeds. The falcon's head also faces rapid pressure changes, risking pain and disorientation. Its senses must remain razor-sharp, even as the world blurs past in a rush of wind and noise. To hunt, it must survive these deadly forces and function perfectly within them. Every dive is a test of survival, demanding flawless adaptation. Simply closing its nostrils isn't an option. It needs oxygen to fuel its powerful muscles. Without a constant supply, its strength and speed would vanish in seconds. The peregrine faces a deadly dilemma: how to breathe safely at such speeds, when every breath could be its last, if not perfectly controlled. Nature had to devise an ingenious solution to this high-velocity problem, a way to let the falcon breathe without risking its life. Without it, the falcon's legendary stoop would be impossible, and its reign as the fastest animal on Earth would end. Evolution's answer is hidden in plain sight, a subtle adaptation that makes the impossible possible. The solution lies in the peregrine's nostrils, a tiny cone-shaped structure called a tubercle or baffle. This small anatomical feature manages the ferocious airflow during the stoop. It's a specialist's tool, unique among birds, born from the need for extreme speed. The baffle disrupts and slows the air before it enters the respiratory system. Scientists realize this subtle structure is crucial for the falcon's survival at high speeds. It's a perfect example of convergent evolution, nature and human engineering solving the same problem. Without this tiny cone, the peregrine couldn't breathe during its dive. The baffle is the key to its legendary hunting style. It's a small, elegant adaptation with a massive impact, nature's own aerodynamic hack hidden in the falcon's nose. The baffle's function is rooted in fluid dynamics. As air rushes toward the falcon's face, the tubercle creates a shockwave at the nostril entrance. This diverts the main force of the wind, protecting delicate nasal passages. Behind the baffle, a zone of slower, swirling air forms, allowing safe, manageable breathing. It's like a rock in a river. The current splits, but behind the rock the water is calm. The system is passive and self-regulating. The faster the dive, the stronger the protection. No complex valves, just a perfectly placed piece of bone. This tiny structure tames hurricane-force winds, turning a deadly torrent into a gentle breath. The baffle is the unsung hero of the peregrine's dive. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most brilliant. The peregrine's baffle inspired a parallel in human engineering. Early jet engines faced a similar problem. Supersonic air could destroy them. Engineers designed intake cones, structures that slow and redirect airflow just like the Falcon's tubercle. Iconic jets like the MiG-21 feature these cones, allowing safe flight at supersonic speeds. It's a stunning example of biomimicry, nature and technology converging on the same solution. The laws of physics are universal, and optimal designs often repeat. The Falcon's nostril and a jet's intake cone solve the same problem in different worlds. Nature is the ultimate innovator, with billions of years of trial and error. By studying these designs, we can create more efficient, elegant technologies. The future of engineering may already be flying above us. The peregrine falcon is more than the world's fastest animal. It's a masterpiece of evolution. Every feature, from its eyesight to its wings and breathing system, is refined for speed and precision. The stoop is the culmination of remarkable adaptations working in concert. The nasal baffle is a subtle innovation that makes its lifestyle possible. Nature's solutions are often hidden but profoundly effective. The falcon's story is a lesson in the power of small, clever adaptations. Biomimicry, learning from nature holds immense promise for our own technology. The most advanced designs may already exist in the natural world. The Peregrine Falcon is a symbol of speed, resilience, and evolutionary genius. In the sky, it reigns as the undisputed high-velocity monarch,